That alarm clock keeps going off. Looks like I'm gonna be late again. Jump in my car, thing won't start. I'm gonna have to call up a friend. It's another long day at a job I hate, and man, I just can't wait. So take a drink if you're working that 9 to 5 with some overtime just to get by. So take a drink if it's finally payday. You got some spare change and it's Friday and it feels so good. As you drive up to the bank, take a drink if you're heading out with your crew, holding a cold brew, cause you made it through. Raise your glass, make a toast, and sing to another long week. Cheers! Take a drink. I got the day free, so baby, why don't we drop it into 4-wheel drive? Find a cool spot where we can cool off. Turn up that radio down. Crack an ice cold beer up off the rear view mirror, and we're out of here. Oh, so take a drink if you've ever dropped the tailgate with a hot date out on the lake. So take a drink if you've ever got lost down an old country road where nobody goes, where nobody knows. With your girl riding shotgun, take a drink if you remember when she leaned in for that first kiss, tasted her sweet lips. Raise your glass, make a toast, and cheers to being young, wild, and free. Cheers! Take a drink. We're just having fun and we ain't even drunk, can you feel me? So stop and take a shot just to show a little love, can you hear me? So take a drink if you've ever got knocked down, but you got up again and you went on to win. Take a drink if you choose love over hate, cause you got faith, raised the right way. So take a drink, cause we're all in this together, brother and sister, here's to forever. So take a drink, cause we're all on the same team, have the same dreams that we want to see come true. Yeah, we want to see them come true, yeah. But take a drink if you love the red, white, and blue, because the change starts with me and you. Raise your glass, make a toast, and cheers to being family and friends.